Today we're going to be checking out some cases made by MOUS for the brand new Galaxy S24 Plus. I've used MOUS cases in the past. I love the way that they look, they feel really good in the hand, and they're very protective. Here we have the Limitless 5.0 Aramid case, which is 47.3 grams. Here we have the Limitless 5.0 Walnut case, which is also 47.3 grams. And we have the Limitless 5.0 Black Leather case, which again is 47.3 grams. And we also have a super thin case that's only 32.8 grams. All these cases are MagSafe compatible, so if you have MagSafe accessories, you can use them with each and every one of these cases, and they're also lined with a soft microfiber material. All the Limitless 5.0 cases have AeroShock pads on the inner wall of the case that helps with shock absorption from extreme drops. And I'm sure you have all seen the commercial where the guy throws the phone with a mouse case on it 20 feet in the air and the phone survives the drop. And if you haven't, it's pretty impressive. And if you guys want to pick any of these cases up, I will be putting product links in the video description. So first up, let's take a look at the Limitless 5.0 cases. And here we have the MOUS Limitless 5.0 Aramid case. It also comes in a walnut finish and a black leather. So again, here is the Aramid fiber case. It's not super heavy. Again, it's also lined with that nice microfiber to keep your phone from getting all scratched up. It also has the MagSafe built in, and there are those AeroShock pads that I told you about before. So in case you happen to drop your phone, these will keep your phone protected, even from extreme drops. And on the back, you have that nice smooth Aramid fiber. So the case goes in the phone, very solid. It's in there really nice, and the buttons, nice and clicky, easily pressable and accessible. I absolutely love it. Feels nice in the hand. It's got kind of like these textures on the side to help with grip. As you can see, it does have a raised edge around the front of the screen to help with protecting that. And it also doesn't add a lot of extra bulk to the phone. We have a little lanyard hole in the bottom, our cutouts on the other side. We have our power button. We have our volume buttons, a lanyard hole, and that same texture on this side too. And again on the back, we have that Aramid fiber. Doesn't show fingerprints, which is really nice, and it feels super smooth. I absolutely love the way that that feels. It also has a raised edge around your camera lenses to help protect those as well. I cannot express to you enough how nice these buttons feel on the side. They're not attached to the case. They're kind of floating and they press really easily. I think MOUS has the best buttons on cases ever. And like I mentioned before, all these cases do have MagSafe built in. So if you happen to have a MagSafe accessory, like I have this power bank here, it clips very nice on the back and immediately starts to charge your phone. It's also got a nice hold on the MagSafe accessories, so you don't have to worry about the MagSafe just kind of falling off. It's got a really nice strong hold. Underneath the Aramid fiber is a polycarbonate backing, which helps keep the phone nice and rigid and strong, and it's surrounded by a TPU type rubbery material, which helps with the shock absorption. Absolutely love the Limitless 5.0 cases. Again, I like the way that they look, they feel, and again, it's also going to keep your phone nice and protected. And then here is that case in the black leather. It has all the same properties as the Aramid fiber case. Fits on the phone really nice, feels good in the hands. Again, the buttons are awesome, but the only difference is this has that leather backing and it's actual leather. It's really nice, looks really cool, and it's going to help keep your phone from getting all scratched up. And then here is the walnut. Again, same properties as both the other Limitless 5.0 cases, but this one has a walnut back. It's really smooth. It feels just like walnut. So if you like that wood kind of earthy look, this case is definitely for you. I would say the Limitless 5.0 case is one of my top favorite cases. I would definitely recommend them and I would give it a thumbs up. And then here we have the MOUS super thin case. This case again weighs 32.8 grams. It's a lot lighter than the Limitless, and it's also super thin. So if you're more of a minimalist and you still want to give your phone some protection, but keep it super thin, this is definitely going to be the case for you. This case also does not have the AeroShock pads like the Limitless cases do. So it will protect your phone from smaller drops, not those extreme drops like the Limitless. We'll put our phone inside the case. Clips onto the phone, really nice. And as you can see, it keeps the phone super slim. We also do still have a slight raised edge on the front of the phone to help with screen protection when you happen to put your phone face down. On the bottom, we have our cutouts. On the side, we have the cutouts for the actual buttons on the phone, the power and the volume buttons. And on the back, again, it's got the nice soft matte silicone type feel. And we also do have a slight raised edge to help protect the camera lenses on the back. Feels really nice in the hand. It's not slippery, but it's got a kind of like a smooth type silicone feel to it. I think this is really nice. Like I said, if you want to keep your phone super slim but offer some protection to it, this is definitely going to be that case. And then for the MagSafe, again, we have our MagSafe power bank, clips onto the back, and it'll start to charge your phone immediately. This case also has that same nice strong hold for your MagSafe accessories, so you don't have to worry about them just falling off. Now this case, just like the Limitless ones, will also accommodate an extra camera lens protector if you want to put that on as well, so that's definitely a plus there. And you can also put a screen protector on the front to give you a little more screen protection while using this case as well. And even though this does have a MagSafe ring in the back, you can also use it with regular wireless chargers as well. And because this case has the matte back, it does keep the fingerprints down as well, which is always good. The case is also on the phone really well, so the case isn't just going to pop off. You really have to put some force to try to get the case off. And as you can see, it'll clip right onto the phone. It's on there nice and strong, so you don't have to worry about your phone just popping out of this case. The buttons are also, as you can see, a little recessed inside the case, but you can still easily press them, and it keeps them protected from being scratched up. The phone feels like it really doesn't almost have a case on it. It's that thin. So if you're looking for a nice minimalist case that's still going to offer your phone some protection and give you that added MagSafe accessory back, I would definitely recommend this case, and I'm going to give it a thumbs up. So again, if you guys want to pick any of these cases up, I will be putting product links in the video description. And if you haven't checked out MOUS's other cases for the brand new Galaxy S24 Plus, I would highly recommend it. I will be putting a link to their website in the link as well. I would also recommend checking out my best and worst cases video where I test out a ton of different cases, and you can check that out by clicking on the video you see on your screen right now. If you guys enjoyed the video, it would really help out the channel if you gave me a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Thank you all for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.